Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be talking about how to make your own web view error. That is, for instance, a user wants to search a website, writes a wrong URL and it can't be found, so it will display your error. Or for instance, the users write the correct website link but then switches off his data or the network isn't stable, it will display your own custom error. So for instance, I write Google my network can't fail me, so I write google.com. Let's say I write google.com, everything works well, but then I switch off my data. This is it. It shows the URL you write there, like can't be found. Then I switch it on to reload. So I switch it on to reload. This is it, everything working. So let me try it with another URL, facebook.com. facebook.com. Okay, this is it. It's facebook.com. If I switch off the data, even at runtime, everything is loading at runtime. Let's say I search it again. At runtime, you will see at runtime, let's say the data is on. Then while it's loading, let me be fast this time. Let's say the data is on. Okay, my network is even faster than me. Let's say it's a website that loads slowly. That's where you can easily observe it. Facebook now is fast. So this is it. So I'm going to show you how you can do it in sketchware. Oh, I don't really consume a lot of time. Okay, it won't take much time because of the explanatory and all these things. Normally you can build it in 2 to 3 minutes from scratch. So this is my web view. First of all, you add a linear one, horizontal, and horizontal linear one match parent height and width. Then you put the web view inside, removing the padding for the linear one. So you add these two listeners on page started and on page finish. So here, so even the code has comments, so it will be more even easier. This web view stands for the widget web view ID. Then on page finish listener. So here's the code. So before coming here, you create a custom view called, or you can name it anything you want, error underscore view. But naming it anything you want means you have to change. I will show you where you change the name. So I name my own. So this is it. So I've already created a custom view to be inflated when there is no network or internet connection found. When it can be found, so it will display the custom view. So we are going to inflate it. We are going to inflate custom view into linear one. So if you are writing any name for your custom view, you should change from this error underscore view, that is all, to your desired. So I define my text view widget to display the URL that can be found or something like that, depending on your choice. This is my button one. The button one name is declared as but1. So if you want to assign a tag to it or anything, you have to use but1, not the ID anymore, not button1 anymore. So this is it. So when it's on click listener, that is the reload button. It should reload the text, should reload the URL in the web view, so it will reload it. That's why whenever I click on reload, please don't forget to subscribe. That should be all. For the search view, This is for the search view. I created a string query. So we're going to query search view. We're going to get text from search view. So any text written in search view can be loaded by web view. So that is all. Please don't forget to subscribe, as this will motivate me.